Look how I am doing magic. I didn't edit this is real. Today I want to show you the Celes Asoke, which is a brand new building that just opened a couple of months ago. I'm just here to make a few videos and pictures of a very nice unit, a 2 and a 3 bedroom. So I'm gonna show you the top floor and just a little bit about the amenities. I hope you like it. See you upstairs. Good morning, Bangkok. It's Monday morning. I'm back at my work now, and I just wanted to share this with everybody. So I'm at the Celes building, which is a new construction in Sukhumvit 21, and they have a really nice rooftop here. So I thought it would be a nice idea to share that. Yeah, I'm here to film 2 apartments, a 2 bedroom and a 3 bedroom. And obviously I have to take care of the facilities as well. And this is just awesome. Yeah, here you have a 360 view of Bangkok. Complete 360. So just some recognizable points. So this is the center point, Terminal 21 Mall. Here the Ashton. Yeah, so down here is Sukhumvit 21. There you have the Asoke BTS station. Yeah, this is cool. So down there you have the Bangkok Park. In the back, that whole area, that is Saturn and Ceylon. Then here in front you have the whole Asoke and Nana area, and then there in the back you have Chitlom and Planchit. Yeah, and down here, this is Soi 21, Asoke Road. The highest building that you see over there is the Espanol. Very nice building. Yeah, and then in this direction you have the Prompong area and Tonglo and Ekamai, and all the way down there until Onut, Bering, as far as you can see. Yeah, Bangkok is a city that you, as far as you can see, it's city. It's a little bit hazy now. I should come back when it's a nice and open view, because I'm pretty sure you can even see the airport from here, Suvarnabhumi. Must be in that direction somewhere. Yeah, really cool. Yeah, Celes is an upscale building. The location is just amazing because you're next to the Asoke BTS station. There's not so many buildings that are close to Asoke station. So one example is the Ashton here. It's funny, the only building that you cannot really see that good is the Mahanakon. Yeah, down there you have the whole Prompong area with the Park 24, Lumpini 24. This is also a new building here in front. So this one is just a little bit higher. So there's a lot of dragonflies here. I don't know. That's funny. What are they doing up here? Flying like a dragon, I guess. So there's a nice barbecue area here. This building also has a very nice swimming pool. I might edit a little piece of that in here as well, and maybe I even added some of a part of the room. I just showed the rooftop at the Celes, and this is the unit that I came to see. It's on the 25th floor, 86 square meters, and the rental price is 70,000 baht. So 70,000 baht, of course, is not cheap, but it is quite special, and there is some nice features. One of the things that I absolutely love is this window here. You can switch it on and off. Let me show you. See, so here you have the switch. Look how I am doing magic. I didn't edit this. This is real. Okay. So yeah, this building, the location is very good. It's just around the corner from the Asoke station and across the street from the Sukhumvit MRT. You can actually literally see the MRT here in front. And there you have the BTS. Okay, so I just wanted to show you. I really love this view as well. So you're looking through Asoke Road and you have all the buildings in front. It's like, yeah, just a very nice view. Okay, so I will go to the swimming pool and show the swimming pool as well. And see you there. Yeah, so in this building everything is still full under construction, but the swimming pool is ready and it looks pretty cool. You can imagine sitting here and maybe sipping a cocktail. And then you have all these little private relax areas. Very nice. So I'm here, what I said, to see a 2 and a 3 bedroom that are for rent. So if anybody's interested in renting an apartment in this building where you have this view, well, this is of course not your private view, this is on the top of the building, but drop me a line. See, this is the other building that's brand new. This is next door. I don't remember the name, but I will find out. And here in front, the Siamese exclusive, very nice. And there you have the 2 towers of the Royce. Here you have the Pullman Hotel, right in front here. There the Noble. So there's 3 buildings, Noble B19. And then you have the Recall, I think. That's all just finished. A lot of new buildings here in here. Then there, I will make a point, is the Singa complex. I made a video the other day about the new underpass that they have there. These dragonflies, it's funny. I don't even know if you can see it on the video. Anyway, I just walked in here and I had the urge to share this with you guys. So I'm gonna leave it here. Hope you liked it. If you did, feel free to subscribe. I mean, anyway, just let me know what kind of videos you guys like the most. I mean, obviously I'm always going on my bicycle and I'm walking a lot along the roads, but then of course also I see these kind of buildings, which is pretty cool to show the views. So what is interesting for you guys, and then let me know, and I will try and give you what you like. Okay, see you guys in my next video.